Hello friends, today we are trading with you again on Pocket Option. I will leave the link to the project in the description, and also subscribe to my Telegram channel link will be in the description. There you can try to trade with my bot. Well, I will ask you in advance to give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and let's move on to our trading. Today we will trade on both OTC and regular markets. Since the bot has been updated and access to it is already available in my Telegram channel, so go and try trading with it. Well, let's go to trading. Let's go to this trading pair and get our signal. We have already made a deposit and accordingly get access and start choosing our trading pair. Well, let's find it. The bot offers to open a trade for us on the downside here. We have a description here, we have the name of the trading pair, and here we have the expiry time. Let's look at our signal. As we can see, our first signal closed, not as we wanted. It's okay, it happens. Let's move on to the next signal on the OTC market. Choose the trading pair Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. Choose our trading pair and choose the expiry time of 1 minute that the signal is generated, and we get a deal again on the downside. And let's look at the deal. The deal works out successfully and closes at plus $92. Let's move on to the next trading pair. And let it be the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. We choose the usual market. Choose our trading pair, choose the expiry time, and wait for our signal to be generated. We get a signal to go up and open a trade to go up, and let's take a look at our trade. As you can see, our trade closes again in plus, and we get another $92 on top. Well, let's move on to the next signal. Let's go to this trading pair and get a down signal. Let's go to our trade and look at the chart. And yes, friends, as you can see, our trade closes again at plus $92. So let's go to the next signal and we will have a regular market, not OTC. So friends, let's choose a trading pair, Australian dollar to Swiss franc. And let's find a great. We find our trade and open a trade for 1 minute on the downside. Well, let's take a look at the chart price. And yes, friends, as you can see, our deal closes again in plus, and we get plus $92 on top. As you can see, the bot works absolutely correctly. For all signals, he gave us only 1 minus. Well, friends, let's conclude the bot is absolutely working and gives absolutely accurate signals. You can try it in my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, put like, comment. And if you want to trade profit us with my bot, then go to my Telegram channel, link will be in the description, and start trading profit. Good luck and see you soon.